Hi everyone, this is Brad. Yesterday we looked at Feedly on a browser. Today we're going to take a look at it as an app. So I'm just going to select Feedly, and again I use the same credentials, my Google username to enter in. So you can see right in here, you can see Today, Read Later, and Explore, and then your personal feeds, EdTech, and you can add as many as you'd like there, and then Sports. You can go ahead and let's go into Free Tech for Teachers, and then you can see all these items in here. If you select the cog up top, you can go ahead and change the way that it's viewed. It is personal preference, however you'd like it. Now, what I'm going to do now is select the three lines in the upper left, and I'm going to add some content. So earlier I just typed in education. So if I type in education with the hashtag education, you can go ahead through and view some different items. I'm going to add the TED education right in here. So I'm just going to select the plus. I'm going to create a new feed. Let's just call this TED Talks. Or just call it TED for right now. Select create. And now, if we go ahead over, you can see they're right in here. It's TED Education. If I select it, I can view all the items I'd like to in here. One last thing to show you, if you'd like to scroll down here, you can go into your settings, and it's nice so you can see the favorite saving tool, the favorite sharing tool, browser, so on and so forth. And the default view, if you want to select it, you can just change it to a list if you'd like to see it that way, and it will save your settings. So that is the Feedly tool on or as an app. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.